Every garden tells a story, but the best ones start with a solid foundation. Welcome to the Ground Up Method, a fresh perspective on gardening that focuses on building a thriving ecosystem from the very base, or the ground up. I'm Master Gardener Steve, and this is the Celtic Farm. And today we'll start the first in a series, and we'll explore how understanding the layers of your garden, from the bedrock to the air, can transform the way you grow plants. Let's start by breaking down the Ground Up Method. The Ground Up Method divides your garden into 6 interconnected layers. The air layer, supporting pollination and gas exchange. The green growing layer, where plants capture sunlight and thrive. The surface layer, which protects and nourishes the soil. The soil layer, the home of roots and nutrients. The bedrock, or foundation layer, the stable base that provides minerals. And finally, across all the layers is the microbial or the bioactivity layer, the invisible engine that connects everything together. Think of your garden as a layered cake. Each layer has purpose, and when they work together, your plants can thrive in ways you never imagined and remain super healthy. So let's start at the base, the bedrock, at the bottom. While you don't see it, bedrock influences everything above it by releasing minerals into the soil over time. Have you ever wondered why some plants thrive in one area of your garden or property, but not another? It's often because of the minerals available within the soil. Soil tests can reveal how your bedrock impacts your garden. Knowing your soil's pH and mineral content can help you select the right plants and/or amendments. Above the bedrock layer is the soil layer, the beating heart of your garden. Healthy soil anchors roots, retains water, and provides essential nutrients. Within this layer, microbes are hard at work to break down organic matter, cycle nutrients, and form partnerships with the plant's roots. Adding compost or aged manure feeds both your plants and the microbes at this layer, and what makes this layer so powerful. Next up is the surface layer. This is where mulch, leaves, and organic debris can create a protective blanket for the soil below. This layer does more than just regulate temperature and retain moisture. It provides a steady source of organic matter for the soil and a habitat for beneficial insects. Think of mulch as armor for your soil. It's one of the easiest ways to build and grow a healthy garden. The green layer is where all the visible magic happens. This includes everything from ground covers to towering trees. Plants in this layer capture light, produce oxygen, and provide food for pollinators like bees and butterflies. Choosing diverse plants not only adds to the beauty of your garden, but supports this balanced ecosystem. Finally, we have the air layer. The space regulates temperature, facilitates gas exchange, and is vital for pollination. Strategically, planting windbreaks or shade structures can create a microclimate that protects your garden and supports a very healthy growth. Now let's talk about the real MVP of the garden, bioactivity. Bioactivity consists of microbes, organisms, birds, bees, aphids, you name it, worms, all throughout the different layers that we discussed. They decompose organic matter, cycle nutrients, protect plants, interact with plants and all the other layers, and they're invisible connectors that make every layer of our garden work. When you care for this ecosystem, you care for your entire garden. The Ground Up Method is about seeing your garden as more than just plants. It's an ecosystem, and when you nurture each layer, you'll see incredible results. In the next video, we'll take a deeper dive into the soil and bedrock layer and explore how to build that strong foundation for your garden. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video in the series. Let's grow our gardens from the ground up. See you next time.